Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. You can also reach us at 618-235-6959. And today I want to show you a Western Electric 354 wall telephone from the 50s. And it's a very cool telephone. Tad sent this phone in from Washington. And it wouldn't do any good to do any testing on this phone with an analyzer yet, because this telephone needs to have some things done to it before that. I've got a chance to open this telephone up. And this is really a very cool telephone. As you can see, it's got the metal dial on it, and it's just a real stylish type wall phone like they used to make. So it's pretty cool. So let's open it up and show you the inside of this telephone. When I opened this telephone up, I noticed right away that there was some issues with it, and so I know it's been connected wrong. Some things have been untouched, and other things like the handset cord and that is not proper. So it's had some work done on it, but it's in very good original condition in other spots. So it's really a good example of a phone from the 50s, and it's a really neat model telephone, and it's in very good shape. So it hasn't really been messed with all that much. I also noticed that this is going to have the bell be rewired, because it's not proper for what we're going to be. It's wired the old way, and it's got some issues, and we need to change that and get it more up to date the way I want it, and the way it needs to be. And so it's a very nice telephone, and we're just going to have to do a few things to this. Tad wants a modular port installed on the inside of this telephone. We talked it over, and we want the port inside the telephone so that he can run any kind of a line cord into this telephone and plug it in, which is a pretty cool option, because this telephone is just mounted on the wall, and it was supposed to be a hardwired situation back in its day. But to get it up to a more modern situation, we're going to install a modular port inside this body somewhere, and get the bell rewired and check all that out. Make sure the bell works, and get it functioning, and go through the contacts on the rotary and check all that out. But it's in very good shape, and it's all original. And other than a few things I see with some of the wiring that needs to be changed, the way it's wired and the way the bell is, it's probably going to be fine. And we'll get the modular port installed in it. So I just kind of wanted to show you what a Western Electric 354 looks like on the inside, and it's just amazing how they used to make this stuff. This was back when things were made. They were real, and they were made to last, and that's why this telephone's still around. So it's a very cool telephone. It's in very good shape. And I'll see if I can't show you the back of it. And it was meant to be hardwired, so it's totally flat. It doesn't have any kind of connections on it to hook it up to a more modern wall phone. I do have some customers that want me to put a plate on the back of these so that you can hang them on the wall with a newer style modular wall port. But the problem with that is it works, but these are heavy phones. These phones are heavy, and Sometimes they're just a little too much for that type of a connection. So it's best the way Tad's going to use it. He's going to go ahead and just bolt it to the wall like it was a hardwired situation, but then you'll have a line cord that he can just take right on in and then put the cover right back on, and he can unplug it anytime he feels like it by just pulling the cover off. So it's a really nice example of what a 354 Western Electric wall phone should be, and it looks like it's in very good condition. I don't think I personally would do anything to this telephone except for maybe clean it up just a hair, but other than that, what we're going to do with it and get it working again, I think it's just looks great the way it is. So just to show you a little bit of a 1950s 354, it's a cool phone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can get us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.